Eventually, the day when she wore the gown for the first fitting, she started crying because she closed her eyes and she was like, "This is my winning gown." We knew that she's going to have to look a specific way because the quintessential Miss India has a specific look. So we couldn't really go beyond that. It had to be powerful, it had to be strong. At the same time, it had to be elegant and dainty, which is very much what Saisha, the brand, has become as well. The only confusing element for us was what color to choose, whether it should be red, whether it should be blue, whether it should be silver. Eventually, we went with silver because we felt that Miss Universe this year is going to be wearing silver. And once the color was sorted, we were all there. Harnas comes from Punjab, so I wanted to incorporate the Fulkari motif in the gown, which is why there is the deconstructed version of the Fulkari motif. When that worked for me, I knew that this gown's definitely going to work. Eventually, the day when she wore the gown for the first fitting, she started crying because she closed her eyes and she was like, "This is my winning gown." And eventually, when she won the crown in the gown, I was crying. So the roles reversed. The trans community is extremely marginalized, and I hope that by my coming out, there is a voice, there is a face to the community, that we are normal human beings, if normal is a word. We are thriving, we are successful, we are making gowns for Miss Universe. I really hope to do is give my community and the women in my community an identity. So I personally feel it starts with your legal documents. And I really hope that once I'm in it full swing, I'm able to start an organization where trans women from all over the country can come and get their legal documents sorted. Simply because getting your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your passport is extremely difficult. And you go through a lot of stigma while getting those documents. So hopefully that is my next step, to start an organization to get the legal documents sorted for the trans community.